Hello YouTube friends. I didn't better explain myself when I made that video about my Jeep vacuum lines. This operates the four-wheel drive, and if they're not correctly put together, your four-wheel drive will not work if you got a 95 Jeep Wrangler or 91 to 95. When you pull that little hose like deal off the transfer case, the diagram it's got these two little arrows on here. I will put the picture up and show you. I didn't know what the arrow stood for, but when I pulled the vacuum line off, I'll just show you a diagram where I'm trying. Let's see, let's zoom it in. Okay, like you got them four little things. Then the arrows was like this. It's had something like that. And you had four holes, but it's square. I didn't understand what was going on until I pulled it off and I saw it was recessed on the back side of the transfer case, right here and right here. There's recess right in there, and that told me right there on the diagram, which I'm gonna have the diagram up, that that's where that first hose goes on to the where the vacuum comes into the system right here. Then these two goes to the axle, and this goes to the vent. It's weird how they got it set up, but if you don't put this together right, your four-wheel drive will not work, and you will have either the thing in four-wheel drive, the front axle locked in full time, or you will not have no four-wheel drive. And if you're lucky, you might have some, but this is the diagram that don't need to be a circle like this and you're trying to figure out what these are for. It needs to be square like this, like it is on a Jeep, and recessed. So put your lines like this, and well, I got the paper off. Put your lines like this and you'll never go wrong. That goes to your vacuum coming in. That's your vacuum coming in, and this is your vent. Then follow these two lines. One of them goes to the one side of the actuator, and the other one goes on the other side of the actuator on your diagram, and you shouldn't have a problem. And like I said, like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.